Searching for the most suitable router firmware for gaming in 2026? Now, we will consider two options, OpenWrt and Merlin. First, let's take a look at OpenWrt. OpenWrt is an open source router operating system featuring advanced package manager, network configuration, and scripting features. It's designed specifically for enthusiasts who need full customization possibilities for multiple router models. When it comes to gaming, this software will give you a maximum of control over bandwidth allocation and latency, yet some hardware issues may cause decreased performance when the hardware acceleration is not properly integrated into your router's hardware. This firmware is completely free, and you pay nothing but probably spend some time configuring everything. OpenWrt works with almost any router out there, including the ones based on Linksys, Qualcomm, and MediaTek chipsets. Yet, the installation process can be quite difficult. Then we have Merlin, or the Asus WRT Merlin. Merlin is an improvement upon the official firmware by Asus with added stability and performance along with usability additions geared towards Asus router owners. It retains the ease of use offered by the default firmware while adding some improvements such as advanced VPN settings, automatic ad blocking through a script, AI mesh support, and gaming options such as adaptive QoS to help control ping and bandwidth usage. Native hardware acceleration is incorporated into Merlin firmware in Asus routers, providing reliable low latencies necessary for gaming. It is completely free to use and works only on compatible Asus routers, such as Broadcom-based example RTAX86U or RTAX88U Pro. So, which one is better? The OpenWrt firmware works excellently for experienced users that require absolute control and wide-range device compatibility. This is the perfect choice for an enthusiast who enjoys tinkering around, although OpenWrt takes much more effort and may have compatibility problems with some hardware. On the other hand, Merlin is ideal for Asus enthusiasts who prefer ease of use and extra functionality. Test out both options and find which one suits you best. In any case, let us know your favorite firmware in the comment section, as well as subscribe for more useful tips in networking.